Stop, guys. Quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído. We'll be doing another video, but this video isn't a Roblox or a gaming video. This video is finding the cheapest supercars on eBay. So let's go. I'm so excited because just imagine finding a Lamborghini Aventador for £1. Oh my god, that would be amazing. Okay, so as you can see, I did do all of them so far, but yeah. Okay, so what should we go for? Should we go for Mercedes SLS AMG? I mean, yeah, okay. So that's how it looks like if you don't really know. Okay, let's gonna go for the lowest price. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the first one is 100,000 pounds. I'm not gonna buy it because too much money. Because I gonna just go off and buy stuff from eBay like a car. So okay, wait. Actually no, I have not finished on the Mercedes SLS AMG. Okay, let's scroll down. Wait, I think it gets like the cheapest at the top row and in the highest. Oh no. Yo, there's a 50th. Oh, it's another one. It's a different car though. I thought I could buy this. I was literally about to. I mean, yeah. Oh my god, that is quite cheap for a new Mercedes Plus and GT. Oh my god. I could hear some people outside my window. Wait there, guys. Okay, it's just kids playing. Alright, so it's such a nice car. Oh my god. Imagining owning that car. And it looks like there's a mansion. Like over there, here. That looks like a mansion. To me, it looks like these people are pretty rich. Okay. So Mercedes SLS we done. Oh, a Ferrari. Let's go for a Ferrari. Yo! This is £16,000 Ferrari. That is a pretty cheap Oh my god. No way. Oh my god. After this video, I'm going to go and tell my dad if he could buy this car. Holy macaroonies. This car. Oh my god. I am literally in a shock. What the fuck? Yo! Look at this one. It's 65,000. I mean, it's pretty cheap for a Ferrari. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm in a big shock right now. Another one. Now, to be honest, this one looks pretty nice. Really want to own one, but they're going to be in the future, I wish. Okay, so a Ferrari F12 2013. I mean, yeah, perfect size. Not cheap at all. Why? I forgot to put the lowest price. Now we could go. Oh my god. You see that one right there? Yeah, you do. You see that one right there? Yes, you do. You see that one right there? Yes, you do. Oh. It's a cheap Ferrari. Well, it's quite a bad one. Honestly. Alright, let's go for the 2017. I want to see the 20. Yo, it's a Ferrari 4A. Wait there, guys. Wait there. Okay, right, I'm back. Okay, so moving on to the next one. Came back and guess what I found? You know them Jaguar F-Types? This how one looks like. They look pretty nice, do they? And they're meant to be like £100,000 or something. And guess what I found? One for £15,000. I mean, what? It looks like the owner's like a farmer or something. This car looks so nice. Wait, no, it's the old one. It's like, it's not old. Let's go for 2017. Okay, right, here we go. This is how one is actually meant to look like. Oh my god, that looks nice. Okay. Yo, this one's really nice. It's a spider too. A spider. Okay. Had a look at one of them. Let's go for a Rolls Royce Ghost and look for the cheapest one, because Rolls Royces are really nice. I wish I had one. You guys, oh my god, there's one for £4,000. No way! Oh, wow. It's a wheels and tire one. Oh, you guys scared me up. I was like, oh my god, there's one for like £4,000. Oh, so, I mean, it's okay. Yeah, these cars look quite nice. Oh, that's like, oh, that's the thing. Okay. Oh, if you hear that noise, that's my brother on the TV. So, I'm sorry about that. Yo, wait, what was that? Oh my god, what was... Oh, yeah. This guy is scamming. He expects us to pay £1,000, £100,000 on that dent. To be honest, yo, look, you can play games. Oh my god, it's cool. Quite nice. Okay. Right, now the last car is going to be a Lamborghini Aventador. And we're trying to find the cheapest one. Right, let's go for the 2012 one. That's lowest one. And, okay, right, that is pretty expensive. Oh my god, that car. That car right there is nice. I really want to get one. Oh my god. Look at that interior inside. Isn't that a beauty? Right, Aston Martin. Right, okay, let's look for an Aston Martin. I mean, Aston Martins are Oh my god. Oh my god. An Aston Martin for £38,000. I mean, it's pretty cheap for an Aston Martin, right? Well, it looks like one of them old Aston Martins. Yeah, it is. Let's go for the highest price. Try and look how... Oh yeah. This is how much an Aston Martin should actually cost. Yep. Right, yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, so guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and yeah, I'll see you guys all later. Bye.